Yeah, I honestly don't think the camera's going to pick up how cool this is. Like how clear it is in person. Let's try another.
This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video.
Today we're taking a look at the 3D animated or animation DJ lights. So this takes your standard 3-prong outlet. You got a cool little remote with tons of settings on here. Let's go ahead and see if there's batteries inside or if we got to add our own. Alright, so we need to add our own, so you need two AAA batteries. So this is the unit. It's nice and small, which I love that. On the back here you have all your settings and you can plug in all kinds of stuff. You have your on and off. Make sure you have it on the off position before you plug it in. You got your menu, up, enter, and all that stuff. Of course you can control it with your controller as well. But yeah, this is pretty cool. You can also mount it to different stuff, so you could screw it onto the wall or something if you wanted to. But let's go ahead and stop blabbing and let's test it out.
You guys ready for this? All right, take a look at this, guys. So cool. Now, of course, you know, you can adjust it. You can change some stuff here. You can invert it, swap it out. So cool. Again, there's a lot of different settings that you can do with this. Right now we're letting it go on automatic, on auto mode, which is so freaking cool. And wow, so awesome. Of course, you can. The further the projector is, the bigger the bigger the laser and the object will be. So right now it's fairly close to the ceiling that we have, just to demonstrate it for you guys. But the further away, you know, you're projecting to, the bigger it's going to be. So you could do this on like the side of a house, side of a building or something. Again, we have it on automatic. So this is auto 1. This is auto 2. So you guys can see the dolphin. Hopefully you guys can easily see it. It might be hard for the camera. There we got an eagle. Again, it might be hard for the camera to pick it up, but it is so cool. Hopefully you guys are able to pick this up. Again, you can project this on a side of a building, anywhere. It is amazing. Absolutely amazing, mind blown. The quality is fantastic. Just fantastic, guys. Let me see if I can move my camera a little bit. Might be easier for y'all. All right. There we go. Man, in person, you can see it so much better, guys. This camera can't do it justice, guys. In person, it's so better. Like, for the human eye, it is so much easier to see. Like, you can easily see every object and what everything is in person. The camera, I don't know if it can pick it up. I don't know if it can pick up how cool this is. All right, let's go ahead and do auto number 3. Again, there's all kinds of different modes that you guys can do. You can also do sound. Hello! So there's tons of different modes here. Up, down. Okay, so ILD, red, so you can do the colors. You can have it in one solid color. Again, I don't think this can do justice. You guys have to see this in person. Again, you can change colors on it. I mean, you can do size, make it big, make it smaller. You can make it real small. You can make it real big. Fantastic, guys. Just fantastic. Man, even this camera, so we have a new camera, even that, it doesn't even show as nice as it is. In person, guys, I'm telling you, it's 100% nicer. It is so much more cooler than these can ever show. Like, seriously. Can red show it better? No. Well, red shows it a little bit better, but it's so much better in person. So much clearer in person. Yeah, I wish it showed better, but yeah, each color we're trying to get it to show better. Some stuff shows nicer than other things. Yeah, in person, guys, take my word for it. In person, it is so much better. So much better in person, guys.